What's the meaning of bicycle clip? Bicycle clip. Bicycle clip.
Bicycle clip. Bicycle clip. A bicycle clip is a device that is used to secure the bottom of pants or trousers while riding a bicycle. It is typically made of metal or plastic and attaches to the trouser leg, preventing it from getting caught in the bicycle chain or gears. The use of bicycle clips dates back to the early 1900s when bicycles were a common mode of transportation. They were especially popular among women who wore long skirts and dresses and needed a way to keep their clothing from becoming entangled in the bicycle's moving parts. Today, bicycle clips are still used by some cyclists for practicality and style purposes.